This is an optional video if you're stuck on question 1. So question 1 says, what does the daffodil symbolize? And I think of the word symbol, I remember that's something that represents something else, like a Nike swoosh represents the company of Nike, or the dragon represents DSST Coal. So when I look at the daffodil, I want to look at the second line here. A daffodil has poked its head up from the dirt and opened sunny arms to bluer skies. So we know a daffodil is a flower. It comes up in the spring. When we think of spring and flowers, we generally think of the days getting longer. I mean, there's more light, it's getting warmer, there's less snow, we're getting ready for summer. Things are growing for the first time, and we're kind of looking towards summer and the fun we have each summer. So what do you think this daffodil could symbolize?